videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a Tanzania electronic visa or e-visa. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case of anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys. So let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I've opened this Tanzania visa application system. So it's very good that they have started issuing e-visas. So here you need to go through the wizard, like you need to select type of visa, what documents you need, and also you need to know countries whose citizens do not require the visa. Okay, and then also like some country citizens require approval by Tanzania Commissioner General of Immigration. Okay, fine. So you can go for guidelines, there you'll get information. Okay. So they're giving ordinary visa, single entry visa, business visa, multiple entry visa, transit visa, student visa. So for following are the countries who require a referral visa. Okay. These are the countries who do not require a visa to travel. Okay. And what are the documents you need and fee. So all that information is here. You can match based on your nationality. And once you are set to apply after meeting all requirements, you can click. So here you need your email address, passport number, passport issue country, security question, security answer, and clear this captcha. I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so you reach here. So first is to provide your information. Do it as per your case. I'm just putting sample. And make sure this information matches with your passport because many people do minor mistakes. Then later they struggle on how to correct it. Verify every information at least 2 times, not just once. Pencil status, telephone number, mobile number, email. Okay. So I'm just putting current physical address. Permanent physical address. Not sure if I can copy. Oh yeah, I can copy. Employment status. Employed, then you need to put employer name also. Occupation. It does all as per your case. Select the passport type, passport number, country of issue, age of issue, date when it was issued, date when it expires. Do it as per your own case. Country where you are applying from. Nearby. I'm searching the nearby embassy. Okay, perfect. Type of visa requested. I'll select ordinary visa. Purpose of your visit, I select tourism. Is this your first time? I select yes. If you select no, they will ask you for the last visit details. Of course, if it is applicable, definitely provide. Travel plan, destination. I select mainland. Port type, airport, port of entry, port of departure, date of travel, stay duration, let's say 10 days. Localhost, Tanzanian city company, self-resident with pass. I select company organization. Whatever is applicable, provide the information. Email, provide as per your skill. Company name, organization. This is not mandatory, so I'm skipping. Relationship, physical address, provide address. But if you have any field information, no need to hide, provide that. Where are you going to stay? Hotel. Hotel address. They need a lot of information. Country resided. This is not mandatory, so I'm not doing it, but if you have, definitely provide that information. Next is upload photo. So passport photo, biodata photo, I mean passport size photograph, biodata photo, return ticket. And there's going to be declaration, payment, and complete. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.